warm hug. A friendly touch. A loving kiss. Words that relieve. Being there at the time of need. Care has the power to heal, the power to cure. Sahara Hospital, curing through care and compassion. Sahara India Parivar, as an emotionally integrated family, is fully conscious of its commitment to discharge its duty towards nurturing a healthy society. It was the vision of Shri Shubhrat Roy Sahara that Sahara Hospital will set a benchmark of excellence in advanced and multidisciplinary medical services in Asia, offering high-quality tertiary care facilities.
We understand that even thought of visiting a hospital is painful. So we planned this new initiative under the vision and guardianship of Honorable Sahara Shri Ji, creating an environment that's truly friendly and caring, and also ensuring quality, matching international standards.
Sahara Hospital is offering 52 super specialities and high-end diagnostics under one roof. We are committed to provide world-class healthcare facilities round the clock. Your very first step in the hospital will make you feel the difference. Manned by highly skilled and experienced medical professionals, well-trained nurses, paramedics and other technical personnel, Sahara Hospital ensures that you get the best and the latest of treatments.
Our hospital is dedicated to deliver world-class healthcare with finest bouquet of super specialties and high-end diagnostics. Sahara Hospital is one of the world's best tertiary healthcare destination.
Aiming to provide highly specialized 24 hours critical care, Sahara Hospital encompasses 1 million square feet of an exclusively planned and designed area that offers state-of-the-art technology with a multidisciplinary integrated approach to ensure a hassle-free easy navigation. The hospital features 5 main blocks: Diagnostic Block, IPD Block, OPD Block, Service Block, Patients' Relatives Accommodation Block.
We fully understand that emergencies never leave any scope for time. So we planned round-the-clock trauma and critical care services.
24 hours, no matter what, Sahara Hospital runs a dedicated trauma center with a network of satellite-connected high-tech ambulances. These emergency services are supported by 24/7 state-of-the-art diagnostic services, including pathology, a fleet of ambulances, mobile ICU, medical team for resuscitative measures, online reporting on the go, fully equipped 131-bed critical care wing, all to ensure minimal intervention time for the procedures and a quick treatment.
We understand your operations are always accompanied with a fear of losing life. So we planned our OTs as high care zone with latest generations of high-end equipment.
Sahara Hospital's core strength lies in the 15 modern, state-of-the-art, ultra-clean operation theatres equipped with specialized systems, experienced doctors and surgeons adhering to the international protocol. From basic to the most advanced surgical treatments, supported by next-generation surgical equipments, a highly specialized post-operative care, all make Sahara Hospital best trusted for patient safety and care.
We understand it is a hassle to visit the doctor and then rush to basic investigations. So, we planned a specialized OPD clinics at Sahara Hospital, complemented by investigation facility adjacent to each specialty, which saves the time of the patient.
Patient's convenience and comfort is Sahara Hospital's foremost concern. Specialized OPD clinics for all your health concerns. Well-qualified and experienced doctors for the best medical advice. Trained guest relation officers for a hassle-free visit. The most unique feature of OPD at Sahara Hospital is its patient-friendly systems. That's not all. Sahara Hospital offers a wide range from the most advanced to the basic diagnostic services so that patients can get all their related tests done under the same roof. A comprehensive range of latest high-generation diagnostic equipments. Multi-slice CT angiography, a non-invasive method to look at the coronary arteries, utilizes ultra-fast, gated scanning and reconstruction of images, which gives a fair idea of the luminal obstruction present in the coronaries. Samples are collected in closed tube containers, maintaining full asepsis, and then the bar-coded samples are transported to laboratory through the pneumatic tube system, which is designed for efficient and quality sample transfer of critical patients to pathology lab in seconds. Completely automated laboratory services with zero-error diagnosis. Samples are processed on fully automated analyzers and results are automatically transferred on hospital information system. Thus, zero tolerability to error with credibility. Advanced and automated transfusion medicine facility for the patient support under the blood bank. A fully automated immunoassay of detecting HIV, hepatitis B and hepatitis C. 24/7 operational blood bank. Sahara Hospital thus delivers on its promise to provide high-quality healthcare services.
We understand that pregnancy and delivery causes a lot of stress and anxiety for the pregnant woman as well as the entire family. We have therefore designed a specialized program for antenatal supervision of these women. Our world-class, fully equipped labor and delivery facility is managed round the clock by specialist obstetricians, a team of skilled nurses as well as neonatologists.
It's Sahara Hospital's endeavor to make the beginning of a new life safe for both the mother and the baby. Electronic fetal monitoring, high-risk pregnancy clinic and natal classes for expecting mothers, early pregnancy assessment unit, well-equipped gynecology clinic. Sahara Hospital seeks to provide highly skilled and compassionate patient care in a very woman-centric manner.
We understand your restlessness when the concern is your child's health. So here at Sahara Hospital, we have planned an advanced center for complete child care. The center is managed by pediatricians and neonatologists who are qualified and experienced and are available round the clock.
With an aim to create a center of complete child care, Sahara Hospital established the Department of Pediatrics and Neonatology. Keeping pace with advances in the medical field, Sahara Hospital has all the facilities to take care of your child in a very homely manner. Sahara Hospital is designed in a way that caters to the requirements of everyone using our services. With a wide spectrum of medical care and treatment, Sahara Hospital is dedicated to ensure that your quality of life is positively impacted by our quality of service. Care is what Sahara India Parivar strives for, and Sahara Hospital delivers. Sahara Hospital, curing through care.